Greetings from Ceiven Training in Digital Marketing. Do you wish to master digital marketing techniques in order to expand your company? Do you possess any talent that you have that you believe the public will find useful? Do you own a laptop or a smartphone that you can use? Do you enjoy browsing? That is talking about online browsing, like checking your Facebook, checking your WhatsApp, your Google, and all that. Do you have a strong desire to pick up any practical skills and desire to learn it and make sure that you become somebody you used to become something in your future, even your life right now? Would you like to triple your current income, or are you looking for extra income to make sure that you solve some daily problems that we are facing today? Or are you trying to find a way to make more money? Would you like to learn how to use Facebook advertisements to promote your service, maybe your skill or your business, or the skill of your client or the business of your client? Or are you trying to find a way using Google Ads? Maybe you want to run an ad for your business in Google. So that way somebody can click on Google and find your business in the first page of Google. Do you really want that? Do you know how to do it, or you want to learn it, or you want someone to do it for you? What about Google Analytics? What about AdSense? What about Instagram marketing? What about Twitter marketing? Or even how you can become a Google analyst, where you can run SEO, search engine optimization for somebody? Are you having trouble getting your skills or your company to rank on Google or other search engines homepage? Or are you a seasoned SEO? When I'm talking about SEO, I've mentioned SEO several times now. What is SEO? SEO simply means search engine optimization. So are you a professional SEO, but you still need some skills, some things to learn to adapt to it? Or are you just a beginner who want to learn SEO, search engine optimization? Or do you want to learn SEM, search engine marketing, or other forms of social media marketing? Do you want to learn any of these? Are you interested in becoming a copywriter or an ethical writer? Do you want, when I talk about copywriting, copywriting is an art where you write a text, you write words, you write paragraphs, write passages, write stories, books, maybe a health issue, and you get paid for it. That is copywriting. That is ethical writing. And copywriting is vast. It's more than ethical writing, I will say. Let me just use the word content writer. Do you want to become a content writer? Are you interested in becoming a content writer? Do you want to learn how to conduct a business research or a business plan, either for yourself or for your client? People pay you to actually do a business research for them. You can do this as a freelancer. I will later take you into a freelancer, take you to my system, and show you how I'm making money as a freelancer. So don't forget the word freelancer. I'm going to show you from my system. Do you currently operate a website, or you wish to learn how to create one? Or you want to have a website for your business so you can be able to advertise your goods? Just imagine I'm in Nigeria. So talk about something like Jumia. You find out that if everybody today buys something from Jumia, why is Jumia running everywhere? It's because Jumia is in a website and it ranks on the first page of Google. So do you want to own a website that can rank on the first page of Google like that? Optimize your website. Do you want to protect your website from viruses, from hackers, spam and other types of malware? Yes, some might have a website already, but you have to protect that website so that malware will not enter your website like virus and the rest of them. Or again, do you have the necessary legal thing that back up your website? For example, if somebody go to your website now to click on something, do you know that sometimes government or Google may not allow people to do that because you don't have terms and condition page or return and refund policy or private policy page for you that will be able to guide people? If you don't have all this, we call it cookie consent. When you don't have that, Google will not rank you. So do you want to learn how you can get this, or do you want to get it? We'll provide it for you and you pay us for it. Whatever you want to learn. Or are you considering transferring or backing up your website? Are you a blogger? Are you a blogger? Or would you like to learn how to create a blog without running into Google legal issue like the one I mentioned before, such as drafting stable terms and conditions, privacy policy, return and refund policy, cookie consent, and GDPR? Do you know there is money in blogging? What about YouTuber? Do you want to become a YouTuber? You can actually make a great money being a YouTuber. You know? Do you wish to become a freelancer? Do you wish to work yourself, Go to the marketplace like Fiverr and work there. Hmm? Make yourself available for Fiverr, Upwork, or other platforms, because there are a lot of platforms for freelancers in Nigeria. We as Ceiven team, we provide your hands-on training in this and other facts or other facets of your goals. Ceiven, the Ceiven has your back. Anything related to digital marketing, anything related to online marketing, then you are in the right place. Because in Ceiven, there is no greater joy than watching beautiful testimonies from people or organizations achieving their goals and dreams. It gives us joy when you succeed. When we train you and you become successful, it makes us happy. You know why? Because that way you can come back to us, you can give us a good review, and you can refer people to us. So you don't need to fear that we're not going to teach you. We're going to teach you everything you need to know. And at the end of the day, we promise you one thing: you're going to be an expertise in your own field. Because we have seasoned professionals, those who are marketers, online digital marketers for so long, and those that are starting newly, they will all be there to brainstorm you, to show you all you need to know, practically what you need to do. As we will soon find out, we are enthusiastic about teaching. We have assisted thousands of individuals, and you may be one of them as if you join us now in developing their expertise in digital marketing. We will surely instruct you in all the digital marketing aspects so that you can be able to become somebody, work on yourself as a digital marketer, and make money as a digital marketer. Talking about digital marketing, talking about freelancer, let me take you to my system now and show you how this is done. I want to take you to my system and show you how you can